Nangarhar City in eastern Afghanistan is famous for its history, culture, and natural beauty. The city has a captivating charm, especially at night. It has historical sites and a vibrant local culture to explore. Nangarhar is also known for its green landscapes and abundant water resources, including the picturesque Behsod district. It offers a unique and refreshing experience for those interested in both cultural and natural attractions. If you're interested, we can provide day footage of Nangarhar City, showcasing its lively atmosphere, scenic landscapes, and beautiful rivers and waterways. Let us know if you'd like to see the day footage. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content on beautiful Afghanistan. Like and share our videos, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for updates. Your support is greatly appreciated.